Today I want to show you a different recipe than usual. This is how to infuse an oil with dry herbs and flowers. Then you can use the oil as a body moisturizer or as a face moisturizer. All you need is dry herbs or dry flowers and a couple of oils of choice. My favorite are apricot, almond, jojoba, and rosehip. So I created 3 different body products and let me show you what they look like. First one is a calming calendula body oil. All you need is 1 cup of dry calendula flowers and 8 ounces of almond oil. Put the dry flowers in a glass container, cover them with the oils, close it up, set it aside. The next body oil will be an Energizing Peppermint Body Oil. This only needs half a cup of dry peppermint leaves. This is a strong herb, so we're using half the dose as the calendula. And you want to cover it with 8 ounces of apricot oil. The third recipe is for a delicate face oil. It has a 1/4 cup of lavender and a little bit of calendula petals, 1 ounce of rosehip oil, and 3 ounces of jojoba oil. Once you have all your oils in a sealed jar, you want to create a double boiler system. Grab any pan, put 2 inches of water, put it on low heat, and put your jars in it. Let them sit there for about 3 hours. You want to give them enough time for the oils to extract all the nutrients from your herbs and your flowers. Now that 3 hours have gone by, the next step is to strain your herbs and flowers. I have different little mash strainers. This is very cute. Look at it. It fits perfectly, that tiny little jar. This is for the face oil. It smells slightly like lavender. If you want a stronger smell, you can add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Look how nice it is. Beautiful. Here's my other strainer. I'm so proud of my strainers. What can I say? Alright, this is the calming calendula body oil. Strain those flowers. And for those of you who want to know, what do I do with the flowers? They're compostable. Throw them in your garden. They'll be happy there. And here is the peppermint oil. It smells pepperminty, definitely. But you can always add a few drops of essential oils if you want to have more scent. And there you go, guys. We did it. We did it. Beautiful, simple, moisturizing body and face oils. Happy DIY!